Ever wondered how fast a sneeze is? It's a rapid-fire reaction projecting out of your mouth at over 100 miles per hour. This speed, astonishingly, surpasses a cheetah's pace. A sneeze expels air, saliva and mucus from your nose and mouth, often at these remarkable velocities. This high-speed ejection plays a key role, acting as a personal dustbuster to eliminate irritants from your respiratory system. Anything from allergies to exposure to dust or pollen might trigger this protective reflex. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a sneeze, it's a protective reflex operating tirelessly to safeguard your health.